Okay, let's review the Mona Lisa choreography, and I'm going to use this mirror so that you can see the front and the back, hopefully. I know it's a skinny mirror, but we'll give it a shot. So we start with our left arm up, right arm down, and you're using your index pointy fingers like so. They're extended, and you're simply shifting the left arm down and the right arm up, okay? At the same time, we're in second position plie, and you're leaning left, right, left, right. So again, left up, right down, second position plie, putting it together, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1 plus the 9, we lean over, booty sticking out, legs are straight, and we bring our right arm forward, giving a number 1 to the audience, like so. So we went pretty, so 5, 1, on plus the 9, we come into second position plie, and we're making a plus sign with our arms. So the right is behind the left, and your hands are flat, fingers together in a blade. Then you're going to bring that right arm in front of the left, make that plus sign again, and then you're simply going to flip your arms to the right. So you went 1 plus the 9. Then you bring the left foot into the right, and you bring your right arm to the side in a fist. Okay, so that's the first 8 count. Let's try it. Second position plie, left arm up, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and. Let's try it again. 5, 6, here we go. Pretty, so 5, 1 plus the 9, and. Yep, a little faster. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and. Okay, let's move into the second 8 count. So we just hit here with our right arm in a fist. We brought our left foot into our right. That gives us space to do step left foot, left foot twice. So we're stepping left, right, left, left again, bringing the left foot forward. It's almost like you start your momentum to the left, you're taking a step, and then you change your mind, bring your weight back to your right foot. Then we go left, but push off with that left foot to bring it forward. At the same time, you're circling your arm overhead clockwise while keeping that right hand in a fist. You can either bring your left hand to your hip or hang on to your pants like J-Hope. So we go step, step, left, forward. So left, right, left, left. We go circle, circle, circle. Then you're gonna do a disco quick circle in front of your body, like, okay? So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just have 1 count for the quick circling. After that, you are kicking back with your right foot. So you did left, left, kick. Let's do just the feet. We go left, right, left, left, kick back. Again, 7 and left, right, left, left, kick back. Good. Just the arms. We go circle, circle, disco, and then you're gonna push forward on the word blow it. It's like you're a claw machine, claw, boom, and you're pushing forward. If you bring the other arm back, it creates a little bit of an optical illusion that it's popping further than it is, boom. So you went boom, and that's with your right arm. So we go boom, boom, circle, blow it. Okay, let's do that slowly. Circle, circle, disco, claw machine. Again, circle, circle, disco, claw machine. Yeah, I hope you can see that in the mirror. Let's put it together very slowly. We ended up here on 7 and 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, circle, claw machine. So you're doing that blow it motion in opposition with your leg. When your leg extends, so does your arm, and then you pull it in. Yep, let's try it slowly. 6, 7, 8. How you get me going, might just blow it. 7 and how you get me going, might just blow it. A little faster, how you get me going, might just blow it. One more time, how you get me going, might just blow it. Then on 7, 8, we are popping our left foot. We're bringing our hands to our chest, we're looking to the right, and we pop our hip to the right twice. Boom, boom. So you rotate your foot forward as the leg straightens, and then out as you bend and pop your hip. Boom, boom. Hands, head, we go 7, 8. Yeah? Let's add that on. 6, 7, and how you get me going, might just blow it like my girls. Questions? All right, time for the third 8 count. We just did I like my girls on 7, 8. The arms for the next part, your left arm stays where it is, but you make a fist with your left hand. Your right arm is gonna punch down. Pretty on the word face, you're bringing your palms to your face, elbows are together like so. Pretty in the face on the doom doom of the bass notes, you're gonna bring your right arm down and your left arm down. So now you're like so. So we went punch down, pretty in the face, boom boom. On art, you bring your hands into the prayer position and extend them up just above your head. On the word peace, you bring your palms to eye level. 2, you're facing the audience, and then on frame, you make a frame with your arms. Right arm up, left arm down, right palm facing the audience, left palm towards your body. Let's try that again. So we went, I like my girls, punch down on pretty in the face, boom, boom, art, piece to frame. Yep, let's do it again. I like my girls, pretty in the face, boom, boom, art, piece to frame, and then we look on the next count. So we went 7, 8. Pretty in the face, boom, boom, art, piece to frame. Yeah. Let's learn the feet next. So you hear 7, 8. You're gonna bring your left heel down, and then we start traveling our right foot towards our left. You go heel, toe, toe. Now your right foot is in front of your left, and you're gonna bounce twice. Bounce, bounce. Yep. So we went heel, toe, bounce, bounce. Then you pick up your right foot and step it back into a lunge. Then second position plie towards the audience. Okay, so let's just do the feet for a moment. 6, 7, 8. Go heel, toe, bounce, bounce, pick it up, put it down, second position plie. Couple more times. Pardon me. 7, 8. Heel, toe, bounce, bounce, pick it up, lunge, plie. Yep, let's put it together very slowly. I like my girls. Punch down, heel, toe, bounce, bounce, doom, doom. Up, down, turn, frame, look. Yep, let's do that again. 7, 8. Pretty in the face, doom, doom, art, piece to frame, and look. Again, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, look, 8. Yep. Couple more times. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, look, 8. Cool. Okay, we just finished making our frame with our head to the left. On Mona Mona Lisa, we're doing our little pinball hand. So you're gonna rotate your left wrist back so that you can flap Mona, Mona. On Lisa, you're actually pushing that little door open. So we're here, we're leaning to the left on Mona, Mona. On Lisa, you push a little further and pick up that right foot. Now, as you're walking forward, you're doing kind of a, I don't know, a stylized cowboy walk. So you pick the foot up, rotate so that the knee comes up, and then put it down. Okay, how many of those? Great question. I don't know. So we go Mona, Mona, Lisa, how I need ya. I like my girls. We end up facing diagonally here. So the arms, you go flap, flap, push, then your right arm is coming down and you clap, then your right arm extends forward, left hand grabs the right arm, so you're pointing on need ya. So it's Mona, Mona, Lisa, how I need ya. Then you hold one count here, then you take your right thumb and you're pushing your chin to the left. So you went Mona, Mona, Lisa, how I need ya, I like my girls. Okay, let's try putting that together slowly. So we're here. We do pinball, pinball, push off, clap, point, hold, chin, step at the diagonal. Okay, let's try it a few times. Art piece to frame, look, Mona, Mona, Lisa, how I need ya, I like my girls. All right, this brings us to the final 8 count of new information. So we just turned at a diagonal to the right, and we're gonna hit plie and rotate our body very quickly, circling it to the right, to the back, to the left, to the front, and back into place. But it happens very fast, like meow. Then we rotate our knees out, in, and we're moving through space from up to down at the same time. So you did your rotation, and now we're going out, in, out, in. If you lift your heels off the floor, this movement is much easier. At the same time your knees go out, in, you're taking your hands, right hand, left hand, and you're juggling right, left, right, left. So when your knees are turned out, your right arm is up. When your knees are turned in, your left arm is up. So boom, ba, boom, ba. And you are moving down through space, okay? So we went meow. Now we've got out, in, right, left. Then we do right and knees out one more time. And now we do a push to the left as we pick the right foot up. So you're pushing, both of your palms are going to the right. You're pushing as you pick up your foot. When you put the foot down, you're sweeping your arms to the left. So your arms sweep right, sweep left. Yeah. So we went quick circle, meow. Now we go right arm up as your knees go apart. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom. Push to the right as your right foot comes up. Hand sweep left as you step on the right foot. Boom. Swish, pick up. Swish, pick up. Swish, pick up. And same as before when you were walking forward, you're rotating so that the knee is coming up each time. Step down, rotate and pick it up. Step down, rotate and pick it up. Yep. Let's try it. So we went meow, then we go right, left, right, left, right, push, and step, push, step, push, step, push, walk, walk. Yep, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and push. 1 and 2 and 3 and walk, walk. Yep, so with the lyrics, Mona, Mona Lisa, how I need you. I like my girls. Bum, 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 ba-da-da. Da-da, the validation. What are the words there? Looking just like a painting. I think that's it. So we went, Mona, Mona Lisa, how I need you. I like my girls. Looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Then we go back to pretty so fun. 1 plus the 9. How you get me going might just blow it. And that's what we learned.